opening today, and sa other investors po na di na ako di na ako i-name kay confidentiality. So thank you sa tanan na ni Anhe. So I'm very happy that you came, gave your time to attend this meaningful event in our business. So as mentioned, we are a specialty coffee shop. So we serve specialty coffee here in Coffee Core. So sa katon dili kayo familiar, specialty coffee, it's not similar to other coffee shops. Ang beans na gamit namo, so tanang na taste niyo na drinks, high quality jud ang coffee beans. So as mentioned sa press release po, that we want to build the speakeasy culture here in Cebu. So sa dili kayo familiar, speakeasy meaning it's not a loud music type of bar. So we serve alcohol drinks, and also we have food.